Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to free up space on your Gmail account. Yes, your Gmail account is full means how to clean up from your mobile phone. Solution for Gmail running out of full. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my mobile, I just opened Gmail app. So once I open the Gmail app, I got the message from a Gmail account storage is full. So clean up space and get storage and everything will be available. So what I have to do here? So my Gmail has contained Google Photos, Google Drive, all kind of Google related services. What I have to do here? So first and foremost, you need to clean up your space. Select clean up space. Once you click select clean up space, it will ask you open with a Google Chrome or Safari or any other places. Just click Chrome. So once you click Chrome, automatically it will move into the Chrome browser. So I have to clean my space from my Gmail. What I have to do here? So just to scroll down, you will get option called delete emails, that is review and free up 25 MB files. So spam emails, review and free up 2.1 MB files. So what I have to do here? So I have to delete these files. So just click here for review and free up. So it will ask you for the all kind of unnecessary or I no need for the things. I just want to delete this one. Just select, or one by one you can select, or all item you want to select this one, and here on top you will find a delete option. Just click to delete. So it will ask you to understand to delete. Once you delete means it won't be come back. Just click here to permanently delete, because this is all spam messages. So 25 MBs are cleared and email marked as a spam, so you want to delete means but you don't read means just select a review and delete. So choose all kind of necessary files you don't want means is like a spam. Just choose all items and just click a delete and click understand and click permanent delete option, so that 529 KB files are deleted. So I just want to select entire file and I just want to delete permanently, so that my files will be in clear and it will be easy to accessible. So if there is a spam mails are coming over there, I just want to delete the entire conversation so that I will be free for the files. Yes, the next one, so files which has a more permanent file which has the contain the lot of spaces in your Gmail. What you have to do here, delete files. Once you select the delete files options, there is a trash is there means it will be open, otherwise it will be locked, so that I can free up my spaces over there. So just to scroll down, you will get option called large items. You can free up to 13 GB files are there. So that is here I can review and free up my files. For example, if you attach to some files, so that will contain your email account with entire spaces. What you have to do here, just select review and free up. So once you select a review and free up, there is a informative word will be there. Is like a large files. So all items will be there and sizes will be there. You can select the sizes and you can find out so how many MBs are there. So this PDF is in 5.2 MB, this PDF is 5.2 MB. So if you want means you can select and delete all kind of related files. So I just want to select some files I don't love, I don't want this files means I just select this particular file. Some files I need, so particular file I can select, and so totally 15 MB file I just want to delete. I just select delete and permanently delete. I can give for that. So you can choose according to your needs. Some files you may need, so you have to select and you have to delete the files. And come down, you will find an option called large photos and videos will be available in your Google Photos. For example, if you take Android phone or any other phone, the Google Photo will be take the backup of your phones. So if you review and delete the videos or files, you can delete the videos and files. The large files and videos will be there. You can delete according to your needs. So just go back and review and get deleted files. So I just select review and get deleted files. So large files will be available, attachment will be available. I can select some attachment, so I can see this attachment files will be there. So 15 MB files will be there. So I just select some unwanted files I just want to delete. So delete something which you don't have the files transcripts. I just select and I just want to delete the file, means select the file or select all items to delete. So if you have a time to review and give, so you can review entire document to delete all kind of unnecessary emails, and you can able to make a free space in your Gmail account. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.